Hello. Welcome back. I've missed you. It's been a while. I'm excited that I can finally show you how the yarn from Tour de Fleece turned out and announce the winner of the yarn giveaway. So if you hadn't already guessed, this is the fractal yarn I've been working on spinning, and spinning fractals on drop spindles can take a while, but this is how it's coming along so far. And I really like how the colors are turning out. I'm excited to see how it looks once it's done spinning up. Let me know in the comments what you think of it and how you think it's gonna look. Sorry to disappoint you that this isn't finished yet, but as I said, it takes a while to spin on the drop spindle, or it can take a while to spin on the drop spindle, I guess. Some people are really good at spinning quickly on the drop spindle. I spin faster on the wheel, but I do know that other fiber artists can spin really fast using the drop spindle. All right, next, I have this art yarn. I'm really happy with how it turned out. This is made out of the bats that I made in previous videos, and the wool from the Spinners and Weavers Guild that I showed you in a previous video. I will have the links to those videos down in the description below. And finally, this is the cabled art yarn that I spun, and overall I think it turns out pretty well. This was made from merino wool from Paradise Fibers, and also from Malabrigo. Moving forward, I'm going to be trying to make more videos that are primarily ASMR fiber art blend, because that's what people seem to like the most, and honestly that's what I like making the most. And I hope you'll stick around for that with me, because my goal has always been to help you relax. And one more thing I want to share with you. Zoey has her own YouTube channel, and it's called Zoey's Second Chance, and it is all about her her life and challenges and resilience. If you don't know already, Zoey is a special needs border collie mix. We adopted her when she was almost 6 months old. She is very, very special. And she's very, very photogenic, much more photogenic than I am. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, our congratulations to Irene Bradbury. You have won a skein of yarn. Please send me a message at Etsy or on Instagram. Links to those are in the comments below. Oh, and I will get you set up with your own skein of yarn. Thank you for your enthusiastic comments in the videos, and I look forward to getting you a skein of yarn that you love. Take care. Bye.